It kills weeds, not lawns, but here's where it gets really interesting. Can reseed lawn 1 day after spraying, and it can also be used on lawns that are 1 week old. So I've got some new seed over here, and we got a dandelion right there, so we could test out on that. We also have a bunch of other dandelions in this area of my lawn, right here. It's hard to see in there, but the straw that I need attached to this is no longer attached. So let me go fishing for the straw. Yeah. Okay. So dandelions aren't welcome in my lawn. I know some people do like dandelions, and that's your decision. My choice is to kill them and get rid of them out of my lawn. I also want to test this on this area here, right next to a newly seeded part of my lawn, to make sure that it didn't kill any of the new lawn. See that the product is right on there. It's kind of red, like iron, right in here. Got it on the yellow part of the dandelion there. Maybe I missed this one right here. Let's come back in a couple hours and see how they've reacted to this weed killer. We made sure that it is above 50 degrees and that they are actively growing. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, warmest it's getting today. So let's see how well this Sunday product works in a couple of hours, and then we'll come back tomorrow and see if they've completely died off. I am expecting to have to apply a second application to some of these, because some of these are a little bit larger. That's some of the reviews said as well, that it worked really well on smaller dandelions, like maybe this guy. Maybe some of the larger ones like this, you might have to make a second application. Here are our results. This guy here starting to do not too good. Here, so overall doing okay. So we've got some good results here. This guy, and the ones by seeding. Don't think much is happening with that one. Guy's dying off. Definitely dying off. That one's dying off. If you're interested in getting this Sunday Dandelion Doom for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description below and in the YouTube shopping tab so you can get it for yourself and knock out those dandelions. 24 hours later, this thing is fried. It's crazy. It clearly tried to flower and it's not doing very well. That's typically what happens. Here there are barely any dandelion yellow blooms sticking up. I guess that's because it's working. Look at this guy here. It's kind of fried. Yeah, I missed that one because this guy here, this one tried to flower and didn't do a good job. That one's annihilated. This guy's not doing well. 40 hours later, toast. So these are going into second application, or maybe I just haven't applied it well to this one. I would say those results after 48 hours confirmed that this Sunday Dandelion Doom definitely works on dandelions. Now for larger dandelions, you may need to put a second application on to completely kill the weed. Now over time we will see if these weeds completely disappear or if they come back or not. I've seen some reviews online saying it's just surface, kills the leaves but it doesn't kill the taproot, so we will see what happens over time. But for now, I'm going to say that this Sunday Dandelion Doom product works. Why does it work? I did a little bit of research to see if there's any harsh chemicals or in here, and it works because it's got chelated iron and it just overdoses the weeds, and that's what kills them. The rest of the product is made up with 98.5% inert, non-toxic products, so I guess it is a safe product to use. So that's good to know, especially when you're putting it on your yard and you're gonna have pets and kids out there playing. So if you are looking to get this Sunday Dandelion Doom for yourself, I'll leave it linked down in the description below and in the YouTube shopping tab so you can get it for yourself and take out those dandelions.